welcome to Shin's TV channel, and I'm back with another video. So guys, today I am back with another video, and can you guess which video it is today? A review video, but not a hair review video. You get it? I know my channel is almost all my videos nowadays I'm doing hair review videos because I love hair, I love wigs, I love hairstyle, I love doing the latest trends of hairstyle. So that's just, but before we get into this video, please don't forget, watch to the end. Thank you. Do not miss out on what information is in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Like this video, comment below your thoughts, good vibes only. Hit the notification button beside us, the subscription button, to know whenever I upload. So let's get into it. This is the box. So it's a practice training hair. It's a mannequin, it's a training mannequin for lash. It's just a box with all the practice training head eyelash thing. This is how the inside is. This, I believe this is the where you put the glue on and stuff. By the way, this box didn't come with any glue, so I had to buy that separate, and the lash. I'm gonna show you all the other stuff that I bought separately from what's in this box. So this is the little palette thing that you put the glue on while you're applying. So I got one of that. I got a 14 milliliter single lash set. It's a lot in there, as you can see. I got these little rings for the glue to have on your finger while you dip back and forth. I got one whole pack full with those, and I got these tape. These are to like hold the eyelid up. You can put it under, or you can hold it up to help, apply the lashes. So I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of these. I'm happy. I was actually shocked because they didn't tell you exactly how much you were getting, so I was very happy. I got the tweezer thingy, so you can, the curved tweezer, so you can take off and apply. So this is how it looks. I got the professional, this is the tweezer, the straight tweezer, and this is the curved tweezer. So 2 of that, and then I got the curved eyelash. What should I call this? I don't even know them by name, but I need to learn these names because I'm gonna do a business. By the way, I got more of these lashes. So this is one of the one that I just showed you, 14 milliliter, and I think I got like, so basically they gave you from the shortest to the longest. So it's 4 lash set. You have the shortest, which is 8 milliliter, 10 milliliter, 12 milliliter, and 14 milliliter is the longest. I got a pack of these with the brush for the lashes, and then the other little swab brush for removal of the lashes. And I don't know how much, but it's a good amount. I got these training false lash to put on the mannequin head. I got 2 packs of this, and in each is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pair in each, so that's 10 10 in total with the 2 packs. So this is just for the training. It's an 8 milliliter. Since the Mannequin does not have real lashes, so it's just a mimicking of a real eyelash of a human. I got these strips. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the strips. Like when you're matching, when you are trying to match the lens from one color to the next. So these are like measuring lines to know how you're going about doing the lash lengths and stuff like that, like short in the corner, middle, medium, long, and you know, those stuff. And this is the Mannequin head. I'm so happy for this. This is a Mannequin head. It is limited out of plastic, and I can say this packaging was was perfectly packed. I love that. So as you can see, the Mannequin head is silicones and it's soft. You have that area right there. You can lay flat on the surface while you do your thing. It has a little eyes right there, no eyelashes, and it feels nice. It feels silicone. It could be softer since they said we can use it for makeup purpose, but I don't know if this would be able to take makeup very well since it's not too silicone. But hopefully it's easy to wipe off the makeup and not leave back stains on it, which it said it is perfect for makeup, so it shouldn't leave stains. But maybe I'll try makeup on it and see how it works. Maybe not. I think I just want this for my lashes and I'll buy a different one for makeup or just use my face. So this is it, and it is pretty nice and solid. Came in perfect shape. Now we have these, or what I bought separately. I bought these separately, so let me go into details with this. This is the Lash Shampoo. It did not come open. I opened it again. This is the Lash Shampoo from Yobel or something like that. Don't quote me on that. Lash Shampoo. This is cleaning of the lash, the eyelash, human eyelash, fake eyelash, don't matter, before applying the lashes. Now this is the glue, the lash glue. I did buy this lash glue. Here it is. This is how it looks. I did buy this lash glue separately too. It's called Exiting Beauty. It's extra strength quick dry eyelash glue. It's professional use only. This is not to be used on like regular false lashes like this that is on my eye. This is solely for fusion lash, and this one is for both practicing and the human eye, because I didn't want to buy the cheap ones just for practicing, because after I do a few practice on this Mannequin, I will be getting some of my friends to practice on them. So I want to make sure I have the right glue for humans and not human eyelids, and not eyelash, and not to burn their eyes out. So let me open this up. It is pretty tiny. I did a tester right here. I put a little glue right there to see how it is strong. It's a strong glue. It's definitely not for these lashes. Trust me, not for these lashes. So this is the poison thing. It came like this is how tiny it is. I think this is a 0.17 flow ounce. That is a 5 milliliter. It's just 5 milliliters, and almost all of them is like 5 milliliters. The biggest I saw was an ounce, and it was crazy. Like, I'm like, oh dang, well dang, you know, these things are expensive. So this is how tiny it is. Hopefully it can last for my practicing and for human, for my first try on my friends. this came on it like so. This is how it was, but I took it off, you know, and stuff like that, and it just came like this. But because I popped it off, I just covered it up with the cover immediately, and it's a black glue too. So this is the pocket fan. Now this I bought in the store. There it is, a pocket fan. I bought it in the store and it came like this. I charged it up a little. See, breezy right there, and it changed speed. So, you know, to get the eyelash glue dry quicker. Let me see what it came with. It came with the Chinese manual and a little beanie, tiny whiny single-liney. What the heck is this? But you know, you can get any Android charger to charge it. It don't matter. They just get this little thing, and then it came with this little tiny thing to, like, you know, put it down in your counter in your shop or whatever, in your counter in your shop like this or whatever, for when it's charging, or just to keep it like that upright. And that is all I bought for my starting of my eyelash fusion training, self-training for now. So basically my plan is I'm gonna practice at home now, see how I like it, see how I do first. I don't want to go in blinded, like I don't want to just rush in and just try to get the certificate done and then I don't like it, or I feel it's too much, or it's not gonna work, or it's not gonna make me make money or whatever. So I'm trying to do my research, cause sis, you gotta do your research before you do nothing. Like, you gotta research before you get into business. You gotta prepare yourself. You gotta put yourself out there, and you know, on social media, everywhere. You gotta make sure this is your passion, this is what you want to do before you invest, and make sure that you make money. And wherever you're gonna go to get your certificate done or your practicing, make sure that it's somebody that is well known, who can help you with getting your first few clients, you know, and get your name out there. When people know that you're taught by somebody well known, they'll want to come to you, because they're gonna be, okay, you got the best training. So that I would recommend to go to somebody who's well known and not just go do it and get a certificate. So my plan is to go to somebody who's well known. I already have the person in mind, and do it, get the certificate, and they're gonna, actually in the training they said that you get 1 month help with your business, like getting clients, marketing and stuff, getting your name out there. They promote you, which is amazing, and I would really appreciate that. So guys, I have come to the end of my video, and I do hope that you like this video and you enjoyed watching me unbox and review this. If you guys want these products, the link will be in the description below. I hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Like